say sola malungi 2,000 mergidrohui from California to New York, and from Canada to Mexico. That's the Albora Northern subira Canada, Albera Southern subira Mexico. Anyway, malungi 2,000 mergidrohui sola ngurati under abdur belao ndi adra Ace Hardware at the store tra makatingit. Oh, imong nga payday seller brand name malungi 2,000 hal tanaw sa free game na winners in last Powerball mlaring ira sera January 31st drawing na $2,000 so kumaten mo sem Loretta Smul gay kita din lang itang na scoop percent $2,000 so congratulations Loretta sola sesel laring sera February 15 ndi February 15 sola ngaring $2,100 given away. Okay, Melan for LRC February 14 was ya Powerball $2,100. I give claim between February 15 and February 22nd. Was okay, sige lang up for grab $2,100. E palungi 2,000 mergi rogoy e sola me ti kultur gami me rogoy kumu lembo sepok stop ya kuku.
Yes.
Akti mirut klego me kuku take over.
Yes.
I give for rahman mo gre print I give mo da se klebo makti. Wai mahalwase ka makacho. Okay, ma payday sale ang morngira February 19 mora 23rd. E morngira igagi the store shopping center, Madascan Market, ma Mini Mart, ma tegidre ai Mart, West Malgeok, Money Verde. Agigi da morngira payday sales mo ko maklami we sola mo ko masaklalo. E ma ara girgo most pay reduced price. Okay, ma domestic sale got the page at the flyers at the ngarngia cuttlefish ball at 300 GM kilogram o se yeah 300 GM 495 ma direct lang prawn ball 300 GM 495 direct lang chili fish ball el 425 at 300 GM direct lang shore manor crab stick el 500 GM el 490. Okay, $4.90. Talasa seafood mix. I got it. Patangela oysters, mga rakler nga atsen, magwa orwer, makim turat sen maybe. Mix seafood $4.55. Aklungela 16 ounces. Direct nga ngi ay gagidele Oscar Mayer. Yung was Oscar Mayer turkey bacon and 12 ounces for $6.55. Direct nga ngi Fujisan tuna at 7 ounces for $1.45. I limit at 12 each. Ali ngaria limit ngiye 145 at tuna can of tuna. I limit at 12 per customer. I see. Okay, so la direct ngiya atokai aji kimchi 130 gram. $1.25. Okay. El ardu mora meat department ma chicken thigh 25 pieces in one package. Sola $2.45 a pound. Direct lang pork whole chicken tiabitalo ila selu ulo ila ay gagi dele babi sola is $2.75 a pound. Ang lion carving squid in 30 and 20. Yeah, $5.25 a pound. Direct lang beef back ribs, $3.29 a pound. Direct lang beef shoulder clad steak at $6.55 a pound. Direct lang beef clad roast at $6.55 a pound. Okay, and direct lang eat I was sliced. Yang EEDIWS. I don't know what it stands for, but I'm just going to read it to you. EED. Eat IUS or something like that.
Essentially, the tuligal access essential everyday.
Oh, it's Swiss cheese. Swiss
cheese, yes.
Oh, ngara sela box sola 16 is sliced ngara atsela say the one box. Okay, $4.15. Direct ngara blue bonnet margarine and 16 ounces for $2.75. Direct ngara essential everyday cream cheese 8 ounces for $2.75. Direct essential everyday mixed vegetables 12 ounces for $2.05. Essential everyday broccoli cuts. I got tukul broccoli ngara atsela tutu So lang 12 ounces of retail, $2.05 each package. Direct nga essential everyday hash brown patties, and then ang aral sila imortutu for $4.15. Direct nga Hormel MK roast beef hash, 14 ounces for $3.60. Direct nga Nestle Cocoa Mix milk choco and marshmallow. There's 8 in 1 box for $2.45. Direct nga Alin sugar, 1 kilogram for $1.55. Direct nga direct nga yari lang as Anchor canned butter, 454 gram for $5 a can. Direct nga essential everyday ketchup, 24 ounces for $2.50 a bottle. Direct nga essential everyday all-purpose flour, American Koe, el 5 pound, $4.99 a bag. Okay, so lagi kita book mula sa lot of the first page sa payday sales sa WCTC. So la ko Michael ngum sa rush book polo ngura page 2. Lagi dum kaya print ni kamalo sa osngela pa. Below so okay, back to you now.
All right. Sulat ti alam mo tutar rectal af wala do mo wala mo continue do maklat process do mo next week niya February 19 and Wednesday mal mo Sunday niya 23 a serie da mo get 5 stawang nga niya serie nga niya shopping center market Tesel market mini mart ay day mart malkayo mal ra serie mga niya Waterloo watermelon 12 ounce mo $1.05 Waterloo watermelon direct na niya Lotte Harvest 100 grams mo $1.10 aral Gin Biz chocolate corn star 70 gram mo $1.55 Morina ka caramel pouch 132 grams mo $2.95 Kellogg's cup cereals Kellogg's Cup cereals, malubang cereal on the go. Ngel corn pops, frosted flakes, 1.5 ounce, mo $2 each. Del Monte whole kernel corn, 15 ounce, mo $2.65. Direct nga niya essential everyday mandarin orange, nga 11 ounce, mo $2.10. Ngel ragul pasta meat sauce, 14 ounce, amo $2.35. Yazwan chopped ham and pork 300 grams amo $3. Essential everyday whole peel tomato 28 ounce amo $3.75. Direct nga niya Marutsun Rino Ito Somen Rasyapal 600 gram $2.45. SNB Golden Curry Mild Mix 200 grams amo $2.95. Skippy Creamy Peanut Butter Patapinat 16.3 ounce amo $3.45. Kikomen soy sauce 1.8 liter amo $6.95. Cooking oil vegetable oil ngania corn ngania vegetable oil ay ga 88 ounce almost $10.95. Padial garlic powder nga sila pouch 1 ounce sa klungela mo $1.30. Shoppers value seasoning salt 16 ounce mo $2.75. Direct nga niya essential everyday gram pie crust 6 ounce mo $3.15. UCC instant 114 coffee to be add hot water and ready to go 90 grams mo $4.95. Lipton peach iced mixed tea 10 quart amo $7.15. Engel essential everyday butter pancake syrup 24 ounce amo $3.95. LKK sriracha chili sauce 18 ounce amo $5.10. Malway siya malmrasil moragel kuknan food items mga niya WP nga niya 9-inch round pan nga lobong gila atang pel mo 70 cents sa ala each Yamal will la yasay or salad. Essential everyday party cups orange my yellow. 20 ang alsilawan ng pack. Amo $3.99. Soft sense toilet paper tissue 99 cents ang alawan. Signature select disposable lighters 2 nga alsilawan ng pack. Amo 88 cents. Direct nga niya black Clion tawasi. Sumhos pa tawasi. Tela tawasi mo sale mo $1.25. $1.25. A sponge 5 ang alsilawan ng pack. Amo $1.55. $1.55. Direct na niya mosquito coil. Tiyaw es el brand tiyaw si PIC mosquito coil. Sengo 4 ang alsilawan el pack $1.65. Direct na niya Comet powder lemon fresh 21 ounce mo $2.75. Sel mo mga special sel payday special of the week West Delhi lo mura next week Wednesday. Chicken teriyaki lo mga labras masalat $3.58. Always say tuloy kay say mo mang last item mga raserid yakuk kuy wili le ko.
Okay. All right. Ma'am Sulay, rush Sulay bodor mon mara program give Sulay holiday mo club tergid lo si $2,100 is to be given away this morning. So get your receipts out and pay attention and let's play the jackpot, okay?
Right.
Okay, $2,100 Sulay starten mo bisit yal machine like
So the first number here, our first number for today is number 2. Number 2. For our second number for today, in our $5 Powerball is number 1. Number is number 6.
6.
Numbers. For your fourth number, 3. Selmomong last, our fifth and our final number is number 5. Number 5.
$2,100
Yes.
if you got them all okay.
The Powerball is 21635.
Okay.
Lekor ka tulig kung ka doon. Wala yung lekor ka
Okay.
Hello, my office. Good morning.
Omar, with Total, we are on the air.
Yes, sir. So the winning number for today is 21635. Is that correct?
Yes, 21635.
Yes, there's 4 winners, 2 shopping market, 1 quick mart, and 1 wholesale.
Okay, let me verify. 4 winners, 2 shopping market, 1 quick mart, and 1 wholesale. I say?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
Okay, thank you, Omar.
You're welcome.
Tulig, manya 4 winners sa git, 2 shopping center market, 1 a winner a quick mart, 1 a winner a wholesale. Mal so kumgel flote alwin, sumgel adel el mo win ta Powerball aman mo la Valentine's. Oh.
Yes, same way say.
Why
Two
say?
are shopping.
2 a shopping market. Yes.
Okay.
So
Para contact lang sila.
why say ela sel bebe ada egal numbers ab sila dingil generate. So it's it comes up on its own dim sila dingil generate. So sometimes yung moral one location yung mal mo puto ko okay hatir mo puto ko Powerball adi lol. So a number as of L repeat and the serial number is self Powerball. All the individual. So just to kind of make it clear, if you ever lomis egal Powerball nga niya egal number nga rin, that's the serial number. So numbers as well as the serial number say give ya awalo oti lo say yang legit. Yeah.
Okay,
Alright,
so congratulations in advance and more tira Amlora shopping and 2 winners out of shopping, 1 a quick mart, 1 a shop siyang
Wholesale.
wholesale, yeah, wholesale.
Wholesale ab ultiral
Hindi lang klega diya wholesale, okay? So kami winners lang, you have to claim your prizes between February 15 to February 22nd. So mo mo de mabesing cancel gate winnings the naka play me cook malo nga sel next liga gid parbo ay rulin bo club ada okay mali asos per weekend ko ramar la club lu sola ni amon dalira adra aplikera ku conference tir gitere lang ko tanga mo trura ka confirmation at the ministers ambassadors ma di the lakle itirira mga taklela bulu mloru laureri gidati mo adra prota ada okay so ren asulira adra tiagi dele WCTC gero good outlets tira mal appreciate every day matter of fact after this we're going to go and eat the red rooster we eat there twice a day because we were both working and we don't have a domestic helper to cook for us or somebody, so we do it ourselves instead. Just go to Red Rooster and eat mapalpe.
Yes.
Panguk mo invite ko mi atra westro la se memo mur.
Well, in fact, tuloy mo ngayon kung bring up ay lang ilanya Valentine's Day ilang sales yes. So nganya ongoing sale department store, BF department store on ongoing sale. Manya kilograms sa others will me mara mora you know their loved ones special someone. Director Tial nganya special Red Rooster. I think I'm saying
we ate it yesterday.
Oh, yeah. How was it?
It was good. Matter of fact, you know, a quantity enough for 2 people. Mga ma-email them le share one order. Something on the side, spam character on the side. It tastes good. Kapit nga niya mula cake lo bangel.
It's complimentary. Oh man, that's
so mal complete meal and enough for 2.
That's good. Yes.
Enough for 2. So go down to Red Rooster and enjoy your Valentine's special.
Yeah, sorry ako much more romantic location. Para palbe ngani sel thinking a prime rib lo bangela salmon cakes. Well, direct ngani Eli, direct ngani dela. So did 2 days. So treat that special someone. Treat your loved ones.
Waro na sila sa mga salmon.
Hal. Pero ko raming sel tengrak ke.
Solak pelga tutura Minister of Finance Caleb Utui Junior sola yang luas nga haluase agel tax refund taradra tax metial me mga tutu wasir kami luase nang mas morbabra 480 leng ngula collection material PGST ang Imran se mo enjoy ke gidel el dulas en tax refund tit mortigel ad tira uspe angeso okay dit era dit adra prote do venga sulida me la blur belau venga sulida adra government material que observa president para dro bira lula for doing a good job. With that, thank you so much. May God bless you all. Until next time, take care of yourself
and each other.
Bye bye now.